welcome to this channel. We're looking at how to evaluate integral of tan and sec and n a positive integer. The first case we want to look into is the case of the power of the sec being even power. So that's the first case. And we have this example to back it up. The power of sec in this place is what? Is 4. So let's see these examples, this question to expatiate on this first case. We're going to split, when your power of sec is even, you split into 2 parts, okay? You split into 2 parts and keep one of that. Then the next thing to do now is to use your identity. Sec square theta is equal to what? 1 plus what? Tan square x. That's the identity for what? For sec. So anyway you see this one, don't forget 1 plus what? 1 plus tan square x is what? Is equal to what? Sec square x. Then the next thing to do now is to do your U-substitution. Let u be equal to what? Tan what? Tan x. Okay? So it's such that the moment we do we differentiate this, we're going to have what? The one we are keeping here. So the u is equal to what? The u is equal to sec square x what? Dx. We are going to have now, this will be 1 plus what? 1 plus u square. Okay, this one is u times what? U to the power 5, and this one is what? The u. Do the expansion, that will be u5, this one times this one times this one, that's a u7. Okay, and the u. Okay, then the next thing to do now is to get do the integral of u to the power 5 is what? u6 over 6, the power plus 1, plus integral of u7, that will be what? 7 plus 1, that's 8. That's u8 over 8 plus what? Okay. Then the next thing to do now is to begin to substitute back your what? Your u. Your u is what? Tan x. So that's what? 1 over 6 tan the power 6 of the function plus what? 1 over 8 tan the power 8 of the function plus what? Plus c. And that finished that solution. Case 2. Case 2 is the case where the power of the what? Of m is what? Is odd. That's the case 2. The power of m is what? Is odd number. And we have this question to buttress that. Okay? So in that case now, what do? What we are going to do in this case is very simple. We are going to split this into 2. We are going to take 1 out of this one. Okay? So we now have tan what? Tan to the power 4. Okay, of the function. Okay? And then combine the other one with this one. And that what? Sec x tan what? Tan x dx. Then the next thing to do is to use our identity. 1 plus tan square x sec square x. Okay, so tan square x is equal to what? Sec square x minus 1. So this is equal to this. Okay, so we're going to use it here. This will be equal to, this particular one will be equal to tan square x, then you square that. Okay, so we now have sec square x minus 1 close power 2. Okay, and then sec what? Sec x tan what? Tan x. Then do you do your u substitution sec x? Then the u will be equal to what? Sec x tan x dx. So this one will become what? The u. This one is u, that will be u square minus 1, and then sec x tan x dx. That's what? That's the u. Okay, and then from here a minus b square will give us a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's apply that to expand this, and that will be integral of u to the power 4 minus this one times this one, that's u square times 2, and then plus what? Plus 1 du. Then integral of this of u4, that will be u to the power 5 over 5, that's the power plus 1, okay, over 5, minus integral over u, this one will be 2u, the power plus 1, that's 3, all over 3, plus integral of 1 respect to the function is what? Is u, plus the constant of integration. Finally, let's return the u back. U is what? Sec x. So that will be 1 over 5 sec to the power 5 of the function minus 2 over 3 sec to the power 3 of the function plus what? Plus sec x plus what? Plus c. And that finished that question. Okay, so please quickly smash on the watermarks on the video and subscribe. Click on like button and send your comments. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.